everyone, my name's Kerry from Kerry Elizabeth Vintage. I'm a furniture painter, furniture artist from the UK. I also love to create small crafts, and today I'm going to be showcasing the diamond crystal paste and the gold crystal paste. As well as doing furniture, I love to do small crafts too. So I'm just going to pop these open so you can see. This is the diamond crystal paste. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. So we're going to be using a stencil on this heart craft what we've got, and this one is the gold crystal paste. It's got a beautiful, beautiful texture. It really is stunning. I think a lot of people tend to use these pastes around Christmas time and stuff like that, but I think you can use them whenever you want because they pair well for all sorts of different projects. So I'm doing this little heart, and I'm actually going to do it for Mother's Day. So what I've done already, I put down Vera at the ballet and Italian ivory. These colours really pair well together, but the project today is to show you about the pastes, but I'll just show you Vera at the ballet. Stunning. And I've blended it with Italian ivory. Again, stand out, stunning. These two colours work like magic together if you're looking for sort of that romantic-y pinky colour. So I've laid decoupage paper down, blended in my two colours, and I've also blended a little bit of paint around the decoupage paper. And I've chosen this stencil, and what I'm going to be doing is applying the crystal paste in a few different places around the edges. So without further ado, I will show you. I'm just lining up my stencil. I'm picking out parts where I can get the favourite part of my stencil onto the project. I don't mind if it goes a little bit over the edges of the decoupage paper because that's going to work really nice. And all we're going to do is take a little palette knife and we're just going to scrape it across the stencil, and it's as easy as that. The result, what you can get with this paste, is outstanding. It really is. They're so reflective. This product is amazing. I love it. I also have incorporated it into a few furniture projects as well. So I'm just coming down a little bit here onto the decoupage paper, and what I'm going to be doing is mixing in the two colours, the gold and the diamond. So now I'm going in, getting a little bit of my gold, come around, make sure you hold on to your stencil. You can tape it down if you want to. Make sure you're getting in all the grooves of your stencil. This is quite a detailed little stencil, but it'll work well on this project. And what I'm going to do is, where I've stopped with the diamond, I'm just going to brush in the gold just to blend that in. A little bit here as well. Carry on down to the sides, going quite heavy where there is no decoupage paper. Yeah, just to give you a little bit more information over this product. The crystal paste is water-based. It's easy, really easy to clean up. It doesn't contain any harmful chemicals, and it won't damage your stencil. It's safe from unnecessary harm to your stencils than what's found in other particular raised stencil mediums. So it's really good, safe stuff to work with. It gives you loads of dimension, loads of reflection, and it's a beautiful product. So I'm just going to go back in here with the diamond. Sorry, hope you can see. when you're laying the gold down at the beginning, it's a little bit more lighter, it actually dries a little bit darker, and the diamond actually dries a little bit lighter. So we're not going over there. We'll put a tiny bit of gold there. All the way to the bottom. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, guys, is slowly, gently lift up my stencil. And I can show you there just what we've got. Absolutely beautiful. And the more it dries, the more reflective and sparkly it becomes. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking cotton wool tip, and around my edges I'm just going to take off that little bit of excess that I don't need, and I'm just going to check onto the actual project itself. If I've come over a little bit to anywhere where I'm not happy, I can just take it off a little bit. There we go. Fab. How beautiful is that? Stunning. I hope the light's picking that up, guys. It's beautiful. So now I'm going to come over to the bottom of this little heart, and I'm going to pick out this flower what I like here, and I'm going to join it in. And guys, I do apologise if the camera is picking up any noise, a snoring noise. It's my dog. He's fast asleep behind me. I hope you can't hear it. He's a big massive St. Bernard, so his snore is really, really loud. Working that in there. How beautiful is that colour? I like it when I'm mixing the two together as well. It gives you a little bit of a different tone. You can hear that gritty texture, can't you? It's fab. So I'm just going to take that part off. Beautiful. I'll just show you. Gorgeous. And then we're going to do the same on this side. It's not really leaking onto the back of my stencil, so I don't feel like I have to run away and clean it before I pop it back down, which is really good. So I'm picking a part that I'm happy with again, making sure I'm not touching onto the side I've just done. Okay, we'll go in a bit heavy with the gold here. So easy to use. You can use it for so many different projects. The texture's unreal, and the dimension it gives, and it's so reflective. It's so pretty. I'm actually going to be giving this project to my mum for Mother's Day. She's going to absolutely love it. And on the other side, I will be repeating the process, because I've also got different decoupage paper down on the other side. It's sort of like a Valentine's theme on the other side, so she'll be able to swap it round to whatever suits her at the time when she's hanging it. So when this side is done, I will do the other. And also, guys, this really doesn't take a long time to dry as well. Obviously, the thicker that you put it on, it'll take a little bit longer, but it doesn't take long at all. I can see a little bit there where there's no decoupage paper, so we'll go in a little bit there. just going to go in a little bit lighter. With the crystal. And again, I'm going to pop it up. That is really is stunning, and what an effect for not much effort. So all you crafters, media makers out there will really love this product. And I don't think it's just for Christmas time because of the colours and because it's sparkly and crystally. I think it can be used whenever. I love it. So I've got some bits here that I'm going to fancy it up with. We're going to use some lace. Got some beautiful lace with pearls on. So I will be fancying it all up. I'll be drilling a little hole through the middle so it can be hung. Maybe put some flowers on, some beads. We'll see. But I'm going to come back to you with the finished product. So that's how we use the diamond crystal paste and the gold crystal paste. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.